Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G Plus download speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Mi11X device. So yes friends, finally in the iQOO 7 I was able to get the 4G Plus signal successfully. So just today morning I did upload a video on that particular topic regarding the 4G Plus, and I did do the speed test comparison between both phones regarding the 4G Plus as well. So make sure to check that video in case if you haven't checked. So that video will be really interesting, and a lot of users they did ask me this kind of similar question that can you do that download speed test. So that's what this video is about. So I'm trying to use a 4G Plus and I'll try to download this game which I selected right now. So this is available in the Play Store and the size is about 150 MB, so above 150, only 154 MB. So right now this will be the really good test. So which phone will be able to download this game particularly right now using the 4G Plus at same location, same SIM, same time. So that is what I'm trying to see friends right now. So let me try to start this install and click the stopwatch at same time, so then we'll be able to decide. So right now it's exactly started, so only then I click the stopwatch as you can see right now. And on the top of the notification panel you will be able to see clearly the 4G Plus signal in the iQOO 7 device. So it's coming continuously without any interruption right now. So finally friends, just today morning I received the 4G Plus, and definitely you will be also receiving the 4G Plus update in case if you haven't got. So don't worry in terms of the 4G Plus, but my worry is only about the another thing which is a Wi-Fi. So I'm experiencing the Wi-Fi slow speeds in this phone, so from the beginning to till now, but that one did not got improved now, not even once. So let's see friends what will happen. So that is what I'm really interested to see, whether the Wi-Fi speeds will be improved or not in this phone. So hopefully the Wi-Fi speeds should be improved, but right now as you can see the 4G Plus is continuously staying without any interruption, so no problem in terms of the 4G Plus. You can see the right now it even crossed the 50% as well. And if you want, I'll try to do another video, the 4G speed test versus normal 4G versus 4G Plus. So this kind of video is also really interesting, so which you can decide whether you need the 4G Plus or normal 4G. So make sure to stay tuned friends in case if you are interested for more videos similarly like this, so which will be really interesting for you all to watch. So right now it's 87%, so still it's taking some kind of time to download 154 MB in this iQOO 7 device. So right now in my home I was able to get only in my dining hall this kind of 4G Plus, not in any room. Only in the dining room I was able to get this kind of 4G Plus signal, and if I exactly enter outside my home corridor, so then I was able to get the 4G Plus signals. So this much of time total it took to completely download and download the game, so 1 minute and 46 seconds. So I'm trying to remove the SIM card, and I'm not trying to pause the video as well, so you know exactly I'm trying to use the same SIM card in Mi11X device. So in this way we'll be able to get to know which phone has the better 4G Plus download speeds. So not the browsing speeds, not the speed test, so download speeds. So finally at the end of the day, this is what matters for a lot of users in terms of the download speeds. So let's see, I'm trying to use only that one SIM, so there is no other SIM in the SIM tray, there is only one SIM card. So that is only the Jio SIM which I'm trying to use right now. And let's see friends what will be the results in this Mi11X device in terms of the 4G Plus, in terms of the download speed. So that is what I'm going to say. So right now I'm typing the same game which I want to download. So just remember the time, so 1 minute and 46 seconds overall the iQOO 7 took. So let's see how much more time the Mi11X will take, how much time gap will be there. So same game, same size, everything is same. So let me try to click install and show you the results. So same kind of test I'll try to do with the Wi-Fi as well, so with the Wi-Fi speed test. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. So as soon as I see the installing, I'll try to click the stopwatch. So right now still it's pending, still pending as you can see. Sometimes it will take some time to start the install process, so that's why every time I see the install only then I'll try to click the stopwatch. So this will give you the clear accurate results. So let's see friends how much time this Mi11X gonna take. So 1 minute 46 seconds in the iQOO 7 device, and this phone let's see how much time. As you can see, the download speeds as well, how much we are getting in this phone, which is also really good. And right now it's about 51%. 51% of the game already got downloaded. The iQOO 7 took about 1 minute and 46 seconds. So let's see whether this game will be able to download within 1 minute or not. So that's what I'm interested to see. So right now, as you can see, friends, clearly it's close to 1 minute. It's getting close to 1 minute. I think it might take a little bit slightly more than 1 minute as well. So right now it's installing, as you can see, but 58 seconds, as you can see, friends, exactly around 58 seconds I got the message saying that installing in the Mi11X device. So overall in the iQOO 7, 1 minute 46 seconds, in the Mi11X 58 seconds. So as you can see, friends, totally the final review is that the download speeds and the speed test results are completely high on the Mi11X device. So that is what I did observe in the Mi11X device. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to check the other video in case if you want to know the browsing speed test as well, though that will give you the clear idea how it's going on. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll try to do the Wi-Fi speed test very soon, so stay tuned for that video as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Don't forget to check the Epic comparison speed test. So that Epic comparison speed test will be really interesting playlist, so make sure to check that playlist for more details. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.